Hello again, welcome to the MasterCAM course. In that lecture, we're going to talk about the 3-axis and 2-axis toolpath. Yes, remember that we are creating our toolpath for this part. So when we consider our toolpath, we can create face toolpath, and then we can create contour toolpath and some pocket toolpath. And after that, we can also create some extra pocket toolpath for this part. And because of that's part on our model, and then we're gonna create some ramp contour toolpath and another ramp contour toolpath for this little part, and then we're gonna create our pocket finishing process, and then we can also see some channel toolpath for contour actually, and another parts can be seen here. After that, actually, we can turn to here, and actually, we're gonna create our 3-axis toolpath. When we consider our 3-axis toolpath, we create an extra solid model here. So this is gonna be my stock. According to that model, we create some roughing process. This is the surface high-speed area roughing process. And then you can also see the waterline toolpath for and actually this is also high-speed toolpath. When we consider our parameters as a toolpath type, we prefer to use finishing and waterline toolpath. And you can see all the detail about that courses.